Today we're going to talk about what to do if your key fob dies and you can't get back in your car. So you just grab your fob, turn it around, hit the little lever, take out your key, and then open it manually. Once you're in the car, obviously it won't start because your battery's dead, and it'll tell you something like this one says key ID incorrect. So what you could do, just grab your fob and touch it, and it'll start the car. So to change the battery, you flip it around, hit the little lever, and pull out the key. And then with the flathead screwdriver, go right there and split the fob apart. That'll be your battery right there. You just knock it out, and then grab the new one. It's a CR2032. And you grab the new one. Make sure that little label's on the bottom part. And then assemble the controller. So there you go. We changed the battery and we're all good to go.